We just arrived at the end of the lake. We probably saved 45 minutes of hiking just by rowing here. It took us, I think, 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. And we actually caught up to the people who left an hour and a half before us. So canoeing is definitely the way to go. We've left our good one here. You can see the others right behind me. And we made a little OK sign with rocks next to it, so you know that one's all right. We don't know these. You would want to test them first. Just have one test if it floats okay. And when you get out on the lake, I would suggest not going alone because they are a bit difficult to maneuver. Go at least 2 and maximum 3. And the third one is probably going to have to sit on his own bag. And that means he's going to have a slightly higher center of gravity. So he should try not to move too much because his movement is going to affect the canoe a lot more. And we actually tied up our life vests to our bags. So in case we roll over, we could at least try and save our bags. And I pack everything in a dry bag just in case something like that would happen. Other than that, canoeing is the way to go. One more thing, if you do choose to take the canoe, or if you're lucky enough to get one, stay close to the coastline. It'll be a little longer, but you'll thank yourself if anything were to happen. But yeah, we are on our 3rd day, another 20 kilometers or so to go to the next cabin. We're really excited to have saved our feet some exhaustion yesterday, so we're good to go. It's around 11 a.m. day 3. We were gifted some Swiss chocolate by the guy we were canoeing with, and we're just sitting here. Sebastian just set up a time lapse, so I'll show you that right now. We're probably going to have lunch by the lake. We're doing a few things differently today than compared to the first day, which I'm really excited about. We're taking more breaks, shorter breaks, which keeps our feet from overheating and getting too tired. And I have given Sebastian one of my hiking poles. I found having 2 was kind of cumbersome, but having one is really nice. It just gives that extra support, especially when the trail gets uneven. There was one boulder area where it was really useful. But yeah, we saw more reindeer, so we've seen reindeer every day. No hares, no foxes yet, but I'm hoping. Yeah. Alright, we just arrived at the cabin about half an hour ago. It's 9:30 p.m. We hiked about 22.8 kilometers today, including the canoeing, which was about 5 kilometers. That was really nice. I think that saved our feet a lot of pain. I feel really great right now. We just arrived at the Ikkattooq Hut, so an Arctic hare just a few minutes ago. We didn't quite catch it on camera. But a little bit about the cabin. There's only 6 sleeping spots, but that would be pretty cramped. It's more comfortable if 4 are sleeping here, and they're only about a sleeping pad wide, so they're not very wide. Yeah, like this is pretty much it, but we're excited to have it for ourselves, and yeah, we're gonna get some rest. See you tomorrow.